everything. So now, the third topic that we're going to be dealing with is stop loss, right? Ideally, what is stop loss? So I'm going to attempt opening a trade right now. I have about 399 rands. I'll be opening a trade, right? I'll be opening a trade on micro account. Actually, I'll be using lot size 1. Let me see if it will go through. You know the sound. Once it says it means the lot size is too huge. Let me try 0.10. It's in, right? You can see my order is counting. I've sold, right? This is just an example, guys. Don't do what I'm doing. Now I can let me just keep quiet. It's fine. So now I've opened an order, right? So ideally, there's what we call stop loss. Stop loss is simply you setting or protecting yourself from further losses than what the market can potentially go against you for, right? So I always tell people that I do not set stop loss, right? I do not set stop loss. Why? Because ideally, basically, what I'm trading, literally at that given moment, whatever that I'm trading, whatever amount of money that I've put into my trading account is literally what I'm willing to lose at that given moment. Therefore, I don't put stop loss, right? So why deposit 1,000 rands if you're not willing to lose 1,000 rands? So I don't see a need for stop loss at all. Literally, I don't see a need. And to set it on a PC, it's quite easier. When you're for a sell stop order, when you drag this to the bottom, therefore it's automatically your TP. But when it's above, it's your stop loss. Vice versa, same goes to your buy order. So for example, I've set my stop loss currently at about let me say, I don't understand how it's writing these points, but whatever, doesn't matter. Yeah, I've set my points at about, so it says I've set it at about 1,950 pips, but it's not really pips. It has to be pre-points or something like that. This can be pips. And it's showing me that I'm going to lose about 35 rands if the trade or the order goes against me, right? So ideally, I don't set this at all. Why? Because I've funded with an amount of money that I'm willing to lose at that given moment per trade. Now, moving to TP, the fourth topic, which is ideally take profit. Now, for example, I've just dragged my TP here, and it says I'll be banging about 44.84, which is 4,484 pips, which is ideally pre-point in reality, which will give me about 82 rands if the market reaches the red line that you see on the screen. Please note that you can zoom in, zoom out if you're unable to see what I'm showing you guys on the screen properly. But note that when you're watching this on a recording, you will not be able to do so, right? So ideally, when it comes to NASDAQ, right, we do have a TP, but it's by choice. Personally, I don't set TP. Personally, I don't set TP, and I have my reasons why I don't set TP. But when I do have to set TP, when push come to shaft, now I'm forced to set TP. I'll be setting my TP at 30 points from the entry. Now, biggest question is, what is 30 points from the entry? If NASDAQ price is on 12,873 and I am buying, right? And I'm buying. So that means that my TP will be at 12,873 plus 30, which will be 12,903. 1,903. That is going to be my TP. Therefore, it means that when the market reaches 12,903, I'm going out. So ideally, the default take profit for Nasdaq signals is 30 points, right? 30 points is the default one that I use personally. You will just see what works for you, right? Ideally, the highest points that I've seen on a Nasdaq signal was 146 points, the highest that I've seen and that I've recorded, right? So that means that it's going to be almost 30 points times almost 5, right? But ideally, on fourth wave, the market normally gave us plus or minus 100 points, which was good enough. Mara, the average TP that I always go for in most cases, that's 60 points. Now, if you check the admin's videos that I've been sending in the WhatsApp groups, you will see that most of these trades, it's about 60 points, 70 points or whatsoever. Anything from 60 points whatsoever to us, it's TP, right? So I hope now you got your answer in terms of what TP to set. It's always up to you. Literally, it's always up to you. It's a choice that you as a trader need to make, right? Now we're moving to topic number 5, which is analysis. How do we analyze Nasdaq? Literally, let me cancel my TP. I don't like take profit on the market. I want the market to move as far as possible. Why is it not canceling? Oh yeah, sorry, it was delaying. I want the market to move as smooth as possible, literally, because you can never really know how far it can go. So that comes because I'm personally greedy. Maybe that's why, right? Now, how do we analyze market? I mean, remember now, guys, let me go back to the drawing board. There is literally millions of people trading in the world, literally millions. And the chart starts from here. These are the prices. The market is moving. The market is moving. The market is moving. Right? Now, when the market is moving, this is just an example.